Before we dive into the technical side of our project, I want everyone to take a moment and imagine you are in an emergency. You need help. You know exactly what to say, but the person in front of you does not understand your language. Or even worse, you cannot speak the words at all. For the millions of people in the mute and speech impaired community, this is not a what if scenario. It is a daily reality. They face a world that is not built for them, whether it is the frustrations of not being understood in a simple conversations or the life-threatening danger of not being able to call for help. The communication gap is a massive barrier to independence.
The main objective for SpeakUp is to develop an accessible communication medium that enables mute individuals to express their messages efficiently through the translation of sign language into clear spoken or written messages. Then it is to improve social inclusion by reducing communication barriers, and lastly, to include helpful tools such as word prediction, customizable messages, and gesture recognition.
When users first open the SpeakUp app, this is the very first screen they see. We designed this welcome screen to feel friendly, calm, and supportive because our target user may already feel anxious or uncomfortable when it comes to communication. At the top of the screen, we can see the SpeakUp logo. The logo features a stylish mouth combined with a sound wave, which symbolize communication, expression, and giving a voice to those who may not have one. At the center of the screen, we include the tagline "Voice for the Voiceless." This tagline represents the core mission of our app to empower individuals who are unable to speak by helping them express their thought, feeling, and daily need through technology. On this welcome screen, users are presented with three clear and simple options. They can log in if they already have an account, sign up if they are new, or tap the help button if they need immediate guidance. By offering this option right at the beginning, we aim to make users feel welcome, supported, and confident from their very first interaction. After clicking the login button, users are taken to the login page. The design of this page is intentionally kept simple and uncluttered to avoid overwhelming users, especially those who may not be very familiar with mobile application. Users are only required to enter their username and password, then press the login button. This keeps the process quick and easy. For the first-time user, there is a create account option clearly displayed, making the registration process straightforward and accessible. We also included a forget password link because we understand that forgetting login details is common. Overall, this page ensures that both new and returning users can access the app efficiently, securely, and without unnecessary stress. This slide shows the sign up page. On this page, users are required to enter their name, password, and confirm password to ensure the password match. Once all the information is filled in correctly, user can click the sign up button to create their account and continue using the application. This slide shows the setting menu of the app. We designed this section to be clean, simple, and easy to navigate, so user can quickly find what they need. The first option is About, where user can revisit information about the app. Next is Language, which allow user to change their language preference at any time, giving them flexibility. There is also a Contact Us option for users who wish to provide feedback, ask questions, or request assistance. Lastly, the logout option allows users to exit the app safely and securely. Overall, the setting menu gives user control and flexibility while maintaining a user-friendly design. The About page explains the core purpose and vision behind the SpeakUp app. SpeakUp is a text-to-speech application designed specifically to help new individuals communicate more effectively in their daily life. User can simply type what they want to say and the app will convert the text into clear and audible speech. This feature allows users to express basic needs, emotion, or important message in situations such as ordering food, asking for help, or interacting socially. The app is designed to be inclusive, accessible, and user-friendly regardless of age or technical ability. Our goal is not only functionality, but also dignity and confidence, ensuring that users feel respect and empowered. Language is very important aspect of effective communication. Different users feel comfortable expressing themselves in different language, which is why SpeakUp support multiple language options. In the language selection section, user can choose from English, which is US, English UK, Mandarin, Tamil, and Malay. This allows users to communicate naturally in the language they are most familiar with. By supporting multiple languages, SpeakUp become more inclusive and adaptable, especially in multicultural society where language diversity is common. This slide show here is the Contact Us page. This feature allows users to communicate directly with the app, developer or support team whenever they need assistance. User can fill in their name, email, phone number and message. This makes it easy for users to report problem, ask questions or suggest improvement. By including this feature, we ensure that users feel heard, supported, and valued. And it also helps us continuously improve the app based on real user feedback.
Welcome to the Help screen. This page offers three primary options: text-to-speech, visual to audio, and text and speech cards. Each of these features is designed to assist mute individuals in communicating easily. The simple layout ensures users can quickly choose the best option for their needs. This interface is intuitive, offering easy navigation without overwhelming the user. Now, let's take a look at the text-to-speech feature. This page is straightforward and easy to use. User can simply type in the text box and the app will read it out loud using the microphone button. The functionality is essential for mute individuals who rely on text-to-speech for communication. The keyboard is familiar and the large microphone button makes it easy to activate. The design is simple, allowing users to get their message across with minimal effort.
Next, speaking of safety, let's look closer at the emergency request interface. In a high-stress situation, clarity is vital. This screen allows the users to quickly input their name, phone number, and precise location. There is also a dedication section for problem phase, ensuring that when the user hits send emergency request, the responder will have all the critical contacts they need to provide the right kind of help. And next, we have a truly transformative features, which is visual to audio and text. These two use AI detection via the device's camera to recognize gesture and also sign language in real time. Once a gesture is captured, the app provides a dual output. It displays the interpretations of the gesture as text on the screen and simultaneously converts it into audio for easy interpretation by those who is nearby. It's about making sure everyone is heard regardless of how. Finally, we have our speech cards. This features is designed for quick, categorical communication using visual cues. We offer 4 distinct choices for speech card: general needs, the first one, second one is tools, third one is feelings, and lastly the verbs. By using these icons, user can communicate complex needs or emotions with just a few taps, making the app highly accessible for users who prefer visual, spatial communication.
Now I am going to explain the feelings page card. This page contains different feelings cards that represent emotions and physical conditions. Examples of feelings included are happy, sad, angry, scared, bored, anxious, worried, love, good, bad, shock, and headache. The purpose of this page is to help users easily express how they feel without needing to speak or type. By simply tapping on a feeling card, the user can communicate their emotional or physical state. This is especially helpful for users who struggle with verbal communication because feelings are often difficult to explain using words alone. The feeling cards make emotion more visible, clear, and easy to understand for caregivers, teachers, or family members. For the verb cards, it includes words such as I am, you are, he, she, it, want, like, feel, can, look, see, do, put, and help. These word cards allow users to connect feelings and tools into meaningful sentences. For example, a user can select I am and sad, or I feel and happy. This page is important because it turns individual cards into real communication. Instead of single words, users can express full thoughts in a structured and simple way. Lastly, the tool speech card. This page includes cards that represent objects and assistive tools used in daily life. Examples include hearing aid, wheelchair, earphones, laptop, tablet, and PDA. The tools page allows users to communicate what they need, use, or want help with. For example, a user can select I want and hearing aid or help and wheelchair. This makes the application very practical as it supports real-life communication situation, especially for users who rely on assistive devices. Now, I am going to explain how to use the speech card. Users start by selecting a verb, then choose a feeling or a tool, and the message appears in the sentence bar. This creates a clear and understandable sentence. For example, I feel anxious, I want tablet, help wheelchair. By combining feelings, verbs, and tools, the speech card element allows users to express emotion, needs, and actions easily. In conclusion, this prototype promotes accessible communication, emotional expression, and independence. By developing this application, it will help mute people communicate more easily and independently. Overall, this application promotes accessibility, inclusion, and confidence for mute users in daily life. Thank you.